In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail address. We'll walk through the process in a browser so it's easy to follow on a laptop or desktop. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. It also helps to have a stable internet connection because some screens may take a moment to load as settings update. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right. Open the Account menu and choose Manage your Google account. This takes you out of the inbox and into your central Google account hub, where all your personal settings live. On the Google account page, find the left-hand menu and go to Personal Info. This is where Google stores your name, birthday, and contact details. Scroll to the section labeled Email and select it. You'll see the address currently linked to your account, along with options to update it. Now, enter the new Gmail address you want. As you type, Google checks availability in real time. Keep your first choice simple and memorable, but have a few backups ready in case it's taken. Short, professional names work best, and adding a word, initials, or a number can help you find something unique. Avoid including sensitive personal information, and remember that this will be the address people see when you email them. When you've found an available address you're happy with, confirm the change by selecting Change Email. Google may briefly process the update. After it's complete, your old address automatically becomes an alternate email, also known as an alias. That means messages sent to your old address will still arrive in your inbox, so you won't miss anything during the transition. This makes it much easier to switch without worrying about lost messages. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Because your old address continues to receive mail, you can take your time notifying important contacts and services about your new address. If you use Gmail on your phone or other devices, give them a moment to sync. Your new address should reflect automatically. If you don't see the option to change your email, it may be restricted for certain account types or regions, so check back later or review Google's help resources for your specific account. That's it. You've changed your Gmail address and kept your old one as an alias for a smooth handoff. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.